Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error connection close error in Google Chrome browser. So guys, very easy. If you want to fix error connection close error in Google Chrome, so if you want to solution error, so firstly click on start and type here CMD. After right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, and after guys type here IP config config space slash flush FLUSHDNS. After click on enter and type here net space WINSOCK space type here reset and type here reset, click on enter. So successfully reset the Windows catalog. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix error connection close error in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest update. Please comment this video with full output. Thank you for watching.